Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today, we'd like to talk about prediction markets. Now, it's like a new meta, new hype around this niche. I think it will only grows up because the people love place the bets, people love voting for something, and people love earn the money. And with opinion platform now, you can farm the points, snapshots. They check every week, generate the points, and maybe by time they will run even their own tokens. This platform is like alternative Polymarket, and I think it's going to be the two big competitors like Hyperliquid and Aster on BNB chain. I think the opinion will be supported by CZ and the Binance in general. You can also generate the points by referral. You can double check the leaderboard. To log in and start use this platform, you just need to connect the wallet. I use the OKX wallet, confirm. You can log in with social account. So this is your account. You can, of course, go to the profile, link your X account, add the username. You can deposit the USDT only in BNB chain. This is your followers following. Why it's important? Because in the leaderboard, for example, you can open the page, follow some bets of the top volumes or whales, or the P&L winners, and follow their bets like a copy trading. We can double check. So his profit now 367K. This is 282K balance, net worth in 1 week, 63 followers. This is his position, resolutions, all his bets, how he making profit or losses. We need to press deposit, press create, and it costs like 1 cent. Confirm. Now we can add the funds. The funds we have to add in USDT on the BNB chain. Now we can choose the amount of money. What we would like to set, for example, use the maximum, just like a test. Deposit successful. If we would like to withdraw our money, we can press withdraw, withdraw address, and press withdraw. Now we can go to the main page and you can find, so this is a macro. You can search by calendar of the date. This is a map and what region you would like to place the bets. You can place the bets by countries, by rates, by commodities, or you can go to the trending and find the niche like macro, pre-TGA, crypto, business, politics, sport, hedge, culture. For example, we can place the bet for the crypto. For example, what price will Ethereum hit in January? Here, the volume of this event, 7 million. Now, placed bets on this event by January 2026. And this is the rules. So you all the time have to read the rules. You can switch between yes and no. And for example, the 73% place the bet, it will be 3K400. 26% place the bet will going down to 2K80. So I think by end of January, the Ethereum will be over than 3K600. So I can choose yes. Also, you can find here the top holders. And like you can see, this guy, he placed the bets both no and yes. So he plays the bets like a hedge. In any case of scenario, he will lose nothing. And sometimes people create a few accounts, and place the both bets and maybe get some small rewards on some events. All right. I want to place the yes. A limit price 42 cents by market order. Amount of money. Let's place the bet like just minimum $5. $5. And to win. So if my position will be correct, I will win $6.79 by yes. Confirm. Confirm. Or to place it, I can go to my account. This is open it trades. Now it's in the pending. Also, you can create the vote. For example, press create the market on Opinion AI, put the question, and your question should be yes or no. press validate and generate. Guys, link to opinion will be on the description below under this video. Highly recommend you create account and test. Maybe the prediction market will be the next your source of income. I hope you like this video, subscribe channel, and don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.